Just gonna get comfortable here. Hey guys, pretty sick background, right? I was going through my collection and found some Fleer Ultra Spider-Man cards from years ago. So I'm featuring those in the background today while we open a box of 2019-20 O-Pee-Chee Platinum. So you guys know what it's all about. Let's open this thing up now. That was kind of an awkward way of opening it. All right, let's do this. It's been a while since I've opened up Platinum. So let's see what we get here. Joe Pavelski, Brendan Gallagher, Rainbow. Nick Backstrom, Miro Heiskanen. Ryan Poehling, Marquee Rookies. Seth Jones. Ooh. So retro blue, blue retro, what are these called? Blue Rainbow, numbered to 149. Those are beauty cards. Matthew Tkachuk. Very nice. Oscar Klefbom. Another Marquee Rookies, Teddy Bluger. Brady Shea, Rainbow, and Lundqvist. That's a retro variant. Gabriel Landeskog. All right, looking for our autograph, hard signed autograph. Cale Fleury, Marquee Rookies, Zdeno Chara, Retro Rookies, Capo Caco, Alex Pietrangelo. So yeah, I haven't opened up a O-Pee-Chee Platinum since probably April. Oh, we got a pink here, Matt Pink. There's Vlad Tarasenko and Adam Boqvist, Marquee Rookie. Very cool. Matt Pink. Jonathan Drouin, Artem Anisimov. This is probably the best product you can get for the price point, around the $100 price point. Connor Timmins, Thrilling Finishes, Matthew Tkachuk, Anthony Mantha, Ryan Suter. Yeah, so some nice, So yeah, just great quality cards for the price. You're guaranteed a hard signed card per box, and you get 20 packs. Jeff Skinner, Connor Clifton, Marquee Rookies, Rainbow Marquee Rookies, Mario Ferraro, Anze Kopitar. There's Brady Tkachuk, Patrick Kane, retro variant. Ooh, Rasmus Ristolainen, Violet Pixels. That is a cool insert. Numbered to 399. Philip Grubauer. Cody Glass, marquee rookies. Braden Holtby. Steve Stamkos. Jeff Carter. All right, we're halfway there. 20 packs in the box. Philly Hanola, marquee rookies. Adam Gaudette, autograph. Wow, I think this might be the first of his cards I've ever seen, or I should say I've ever pulled from a box. So that's a bit of a surprise. Interesting autograph there. Just a rookie auto card. Not numbered. Still, nice card. Adam Gaudette auto. Jonathan Marchessault. Brock Nelson. All right, next pack. Matt Murray. Teddy Bluger again. Matt Zuccarello. Rasmus Ristolainen. Nikita Gusev, marquee rookies. Rasmus Dahlin. Vitaly Abramov, rookie. Anders Lee. Oh, man. So, nothing all that good so far. I'm kind of nervous now that we're not going to get anything any good. I mean, the Audette autograph was cool, but not the greatest rookie you can pull. Morgan Frost, rookie. Alexander Texier, marquee rookie rainbow. Jesperi Kotkaniemi. Evgeny Malkin. All right, 7 more packs to go. Something juicy, please. Cam Fowler, Jacob Slavin rainbow. Mika Zibanejad, Andrei Vasilevsky. Ooh, that opened easy. Kirby Dach, marquee rookies. Matt Duchene. Is this best in the world? John Gibson. Pretty sure I pulled this one in a previous box. Zach Parise. Come on, box. Don't let me down. Ilya Mikheyev. We've got a sunset. Austin Matthews. Oops. Casey Middlestat. JT Miller. Down to the last 4. Elias Lindholm, Julian Gauthier, marquee rookies. Calder frontrunners, Ryan Poehling, Ryan Getzlaf. I don't know what the rarity on the Calder frontrunners is, but I've never pulled one before. Let's see the box here. All right, they're not that rare. They're 1 in 23 packs. Nino Niederreiter, Max Jones marquee rookie. Sunset marquee rookies, Philippe Myers. And Michael Bodker. Last 2. I mean, we did pretty decent. We got that blue parallel of Kachuk. We got that autograph. We got some good inserts, actually. Jacob Voracek. Martin Feravari marquee rookies. Blake Wheeler, retro. Jake Gensel. Last pack. Ah. Max Domi, Jonathan Druin. What insert's this? Arctic Freeze. Number to 99. Alright, nice. Ryan Ellis and Alex Ovechkin. Alright, so not the greatest box in the world. That was definitely quantity over quality. Got a lot of numbered inserts. But the rookie cards were all pretty mediocre. I mean, a couple of decent ones. No, this is all just quantity over quality. We didn't get any good rookies out of this. But Platinum's always fun to open, so that was fun. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out. Remember to like and subscribe, because I got more awesome hockey content coming. And until then, take care, guys.